Veronica Kitty Duterte, good afternoon. Kamusta ka today, Kit?
Good afternoon, Vin. This visit, I think, was unlike the other visits. There was an incident in the DU, but I'd rather not further elaborate for his privacy. Pero konsumisyon, yun ko atong tawhana kay perting gahia sa ulog yun. So, medyo nagkaano kami doon. Pero okay lang naman siya. In the end, he was fine. Ito pala kanino na lang to, sino may gusto nito? Iyahan na, wala na kaon. He's okay. Nagka-problema lang siya. And then after we solved his problem, naghingi na siya ng balita sa Pilipinas.
Is there something na sinabi mo sa kanya about sa nangyari sa Pilipinas that you can share with us also?
So, yesterday I informed him of the protests in EDSA. Then today I informed him if tama ba yung pagkabasa ko, extended until July, tomorrow, di ba? Extended until tomorrow. At saka medyo madami ng tao, tapos I told him na nag-red alert na. Sabi niya lang, maiksi lang yung sinabi niya. He said, sa mga Pilipino, pagpatuloy niyo yan. So, take it out however you think it means. Yun yung sinabi ni PRRD. Kasi, sa abuso nila sa atin, no, darating yung panahon na mapupuno talaga yung Pilipino. So, ipagpatuloy nyo yan. Yun yung sabi ni PRD.
Pero ba kayong question, guys, from the crowd?
Wala question yung classmates.
Kit, do you have any message to the Filipinos na steadfast? Actually, Kit, with regard doon sa permit, yung Quezon City, di ba, inaprubahan nila, but at the same time, on the same day, nag-release din sila ng statement na winidraw nila yung permit daw. And that's going to be a separate issue right now na siguro malalaman natin later on. But as far as this development is concerned, meron ka bang gustong ipahiwatig sa mga kababayan natin na umulan man o uminit, nandoon pa rin sa labas sa EDSA para manindigan?
You know, in whatever way you can, no, to all the Filipinos, ipaglaban nyo ang Pilipinas, ipaglaban nyo yung kapwa natin. Kasi hindi sila titigil hanggang tayo na talaga yun. Magtayo para sa sarili.
Veronica,
Hopefully, everything is peaceful. Although there's no assurance, hopefully walang violence. But I'm praying for every single Filipino, especially yung mga sumali sa protest.
maraming salamat, Kitty. Mabuhay ka.
Okay.